Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a group chat on TikTok application. Alright guys, first of all, let's open up our TikTok application on our phone and we have to go to our inbox on TikTok. And after we have our inbox opened, we can click on this plus button to start creating a new group chat. And here you can add someone, or you can add some accounts to your group chat. And here I'm just going to add this account and this one as well, and this one. Okay, and after that we can click on start group chat. Okay, then now as you can see that the group chat has been created, and we can start send a message. We can start sending a message right here. Okay, and or I guess that's how we can create a group chat on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.